Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. Have a good day. My name is Erica Sibayan Paldeng, 26 years old, from Conor, Apayao. Single, but I have a live-in partner. I have a daughter. She is a 4 years old, and I am a high school graduate.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My mother and live-in partner will taking care of my daughter while I'm working abroad.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know how to taking care of kids.
Can you tell us how?
By giving them nutritious food, sending them to school, tutoring for them, and playing for them.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I have a dream. I want to build my own house and save money for my future.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me, I will do my very best to do my responsibilities and taking care of your children. I am kind, honest, and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.